Hey all, this is Jack McGavick, Tech Design Coach, and this video will walk you from start to finish through the process of creating your classes in GoGuardian and adding your student rosters to those classes. It all starts at GoGuardian.com. There's no app for GoGuardian, it's just we use the website, and you already have an account through the district, so press sign in. It may ask you to sign in with Google. When you do that, we won't make up a new password or anything. And the screen will load to your teacher classroom dashboard. The first thing that you're going to need to do is create your classrooms. If you have last year's classes on here, there is an archive button where you can wipe them off of your dashboard and start with a clean slate. So you're going to need to add a classroom for every period that you teach, and you can give them any name you want. I'll just say period 1 for fun, and you don't have to do a subject or description if you don't want to. I do recommend making each class a different tile color, so I'll go ahead and add the classroom. And let's not add kids yet. Let's go back to the classrooms screen and add the other periods that we need. So for example, period 2, let's give them a different color to make things less confusing. Let's not do that yet. Let's go back to classrooms. And let's add period 3, and so on. You get the idea. Okay. Now that I have my classrooms, I need to actually add students to each class. So I'm going to click on this for the class period, click on students, and you'll see I have 0 active students. This is the tricky bit because you have to input into GoGuardian the student email addresses for that period. Here is a shortcut that Mr. Tucker from Martin showed to me. When you are in Teams and you are looking at your grading window, so I'm in a 6 weeks grading period window, underneath that, there's a button that says Email Students. Click that button, and the roster comes up with the student email addresses here. Here's the great part. If you right-click and press Save as CSV, then you'll select where you want to download that, or it might go straight to your downloads. And I'm going to call this Period 1 roster, and it's going to download. And then let's actually open that up. The trick with this spreadsheet, when I add it to GoGuardian, I don't want any information except for the email addresses. So I'm going to highlight the rest of this stuff. I'm going to right-click on it and press Delete. And I'm also going to delete this first row. So all I have are my email addresses right here. I'm going to go to File, Save, because it's already a CSV file. It's going to say some features may be lost. Do you want to keep using that? Yes, I do. X out of there, and it's going to say, do you want to save, because it doesn't register for some reason saving the CSV, just say don't save. It's fine. Now, I can jump into my GoGuardian class and click on Add Students. And we want the third option, upload a CSV with student email addresses. Upload. I can drag and drop my file here, or I can just click on it. And you'll have to navigate your file structure to find it. But notice that I know it should come up here because I was recently working on it, but nothing comes up. That's because for some reason GoGuardian is searching for custom files. I don't want that. I want all files. And boom. So very important. Instead of custom files, have it search all files. Period 1 rosters right here, and open. It says 17 student emails found, and boom, I'm going to import my students, and I can confirm that they look right, and now they're there. So when my class starts, I can run a session. There are many different ways you can do this, but to simply monitor your students and what they're doing, all you need to do is click Start Session, and their screens will pop up in this area here, and you'll be able to see what's going on in their screens. You can chat them, you can even open certain tabs for them to help them. If you are interested in creating more restrictive environments online, then you can explore the Scenes menu, where you can set up certain scenes that will auto run on the kid's Chromebook and close or open certain tabs or put certain limits on what they can do on the internet. That would be if I was going to apply a scene to this session. But if you just want to monitor and help your kids, then starting the session is the way to just see what the kids are up to on their Chromebook. Okay, so that is brief tutorial. There's a lot more to explore, so please check out bit.ly/AISD GoGuardian, AISD GoGuardian, to enroll in the Blend course and learn more about the features of GoGuardian. And best of luck. Reach out to your TDC if you need more assistance.